Hello everyone, this is Savitri Sapre, Assistant Professor in Fashion Department, Degree Girls Government College, Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Today's my topic is the fundamental of fashion design. It means what is the basic fundamental of fashion design which we are followed. In the field of fashion design, first of all we should know what is the fashion and what is the design. So, what is the fashion? Fashion is an apparel industry. Fashion is type of clothing that is preferred by a big segment of the public. To common person, fashion is current trend. It means whatever is current trend, that is the fashion for common person. And to retailers, fashion is whatever is current selling, that is the fashion. So there are different types of view for fashion in different categories. Now we will discuss on design. What is design? In simple word, we can say design is an imaginative jump from current facts to future abilities. So in other word, we can say a plan in a drawing produced to show looks and function of final design or garment before it is made, that is design. So whenever we want to create any types of design, first comes into our mind his idea, then we draw it and make a picture, so that we can explain that is our design. For that we try to make it real with the help of line, shape, color, texture. After drawing our idea by using finishing, stitching, ornamentation technique, finally an idea convert into a final design. So it is a basic process to create any design. Another term we can say design is an arrangement of line, shape, color, texture, form, dot and extra. As we know, these are the elements of design. With the help of these elements of design, we can create any design, but with not help of these elements, we cannot able to create a single design. So now we try to understand what is the basic steps to create any types of design. There are three basic steps to create a design. First is create paper pattern, second is make muslin sample, and third is try it on a dress stand or live model. So first is create paper pattern. For that we take a dummy and create paper pattern on it and do all adjustment, tucks, dart, pleat and other design details according to our final design, and we can manipulate the details whatever it's need. But I think we should prepare paper pattern first, other than directly final pattern. What will happen with that? If we are mistaking it's on paper pattern, we will not have wastage of material or fabric. So we can change our measurement, we can change our pattern, we can change our style on same paper pattern. But if we apply on direct fabric, maybe our fabric total waste, so totally waste. So first always we try to first paper pattern, and second steps is make muslin sample. Even after paper pattern, we are not apply on direct pattern. We take muslin fabric first. On muslin fabric we roughly try. For that we take a dummy and drap muslin fabric on dummy and do all adjustment on it, like plate, dark, texture, plate, dart and other design details. So finally we got our design on muslin sample. After that, at last we can apply in final garment. Our next step is next and last step is try it on a dress stand and live models. So after create our design in final fabric, we have to show it and uh, try it on a dress dummy in any exhibitions and live model in fashion shows to exhibit it and show it. Thank you.